Welcome to Uniting the Cults, another episode of Why is Everybody Stupid? Muslims often make the correlation is causation mistake. I think I'm going to go to the older one first. So this is the older one from a year ago. Correlation is causation not. I was trying to be funny. I don't think anyone laughed. So a year ago, I saw a post today in this sub where someone used correlation is causation logic to decide that Islam is true. I think it was something like, quote, I was unable to sleep, and then I listened to Quran, and then I slept, therefore Islam is true. I don't think that's a quote. I shouldn't have put quotes there. But that's what I gathered from them. Another common one is something moved, and then here's the hidden part. And since I currently don't know how it could have moved, therefore jinn really do exist. What are some other examples of Muslims or people of other religions using the false logic known as correlation is causation? Maybe this post and the comments below can help some doubting Muslims learn how to recognize the false logic known as correlation is causation. And ex-Muslims need this too. The prayer apologetics. Prayed for something and it happened. Allah's work, praise to him. Prayed for something and it happened. Allah isn't giving it to you because it is not his plan. Praise him. Weird as hell. Yeah, so I guess that's all I got a year ago. I think I got more this time. Let's see what else I said. Yeah, let's go ahead and read all of it because I added a lot. Many people use correlation is causation logic. Here's how it works. Someone sees two things happen together. That's the correlation. And then they decide that one of them causes the other. That's the causation. Usually they're using some unstated reasoning, like subconscious or intuition, you know. Example, quote, I ate pizza and then I got sick right after that. That means the pizza made me sick, unquote. Notice how the person didn't consider other possible explanations, like maybe they ate something earlier in the day and that's what made them sick, or maybe they're sick from pregnancy. There are many, many possible explanations. None of them were considered, except for just the one that popped in their head, the first one. This logic is the opposite of how science works. We don't preemptively decide a causation before doing any thinking work. Instead, we guess a cause, specifying the cause and effect relationships, an explanation, not just a claim. And then we try to rule out that guess with philosophical criticism, meaning we're not doing any testing yet, any empirical testing in the physical world. And then if that passes all scrutiny, if the theory passes all scrutiny, the guess, I mean, then we try to rule out that guess by checking to see if its predictions actually come true. That's the empirical testing. Here are two examples I heard from Muslims. That's what I gave earlier. I'll skip that. Notice there's no explanation about the cause and effect relationships. There's no attempt to philosophically criticize anything. And there's no attempt to try to empirically test the theory. What are some other examples of people, doesn't have to be Muslims, using this false logic? Let's make this a really long list of examples. I would like to do a live stream about this post and many comments that you'll all make. Thank you in advance for participating. Only one person replied, just like last time. Well, because it's the most intuitive thing to do. It's the most simple way to explain a phenomenon when one precedes another, except it doesn't explain anything. I mean, that is an explanation. This happened before that, but that's meaningless. Especially if it has a meaning in the religion. In Islam, reading or listening to Quran brings you inner peace. And al-iskina, al-sakina, I don't know how to pronounce that. Al-sakina. So, of course, when one listens to it, when one can't seem to sleep, of course, they will say it's Quran. No, it's not an of course. That's like, that would only happen if they're missing so much information about how the world works and how logic works. Because what else? When God literally told them it brings peace and quiet to the soul, Islamic teachings plus confirmation bios equals Correlation is causation logic. Yes, confirmation bias. That's right, it is. This is a good comment. I'm going to ask this person. So am I going to stop here? Let's see. I guess that's it. That's all. There's no more posts.